guys, this is Galaxy Fang, back with another video. Let's begin. Today, I have got the Monster Buckle! Finally, we got all 5 main buckles from Geats. Back there is Punk Jack, Geats using the armor for the Monster Buckle. How to put it in, what it does, new ID core, yada 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 yada. I hit the camera. But anyway, here we go. The Punk Jack ID core. A nice orange and black. And now the Monster Buckle. It's very detailed. Here's what the back looks like. A nice highlighter yellow with some orange. With white splashes right there. Stars. A band-aid. And a hat with a star on it. To activate it, you just push down on the hat. He's awake! He's asleep. This is me in the morning trying to get up. Either way, yeah. Pretty cool. Either way, let's put in the ID core for Punk Jack. Oh, I have it upside down. But we will not be using this ID core. We will be using... where's the light switch? My very own ID core! It's awesome. Either way, let's stop stalling and let's get to the show. And I accidentally hit myself in the head. Ouch. Alright, let's begin. Sometimes this thing won't read. I don't know why. Do I have it on? Yeah, I got it on. But yeah. Please work. I do not know why is it going to read on the other side? Okay, it's not. Sometimes this thing does give me... You know, this thing doesn't do this unless I try to record a video. Headshot! I knocked it out of transformation. Yeah, that's funny. Now, I forgot to show you something, so, give me a second to plug this back in. As you can hear, the standby noise is it snoring. I just find it hilarious. Let's get the camera a little closer. Now the finisher. Are you kidding me? Technical difficulties right here. And I love those noises in the background going, "Hi-ya! Yeah! Yeah!" Because it sounds like March... Can't talk. It sounds like something in the original Mighty Morphin Power Ranger show where they go, Hoya! 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 You know, when they're fighting. I just find that cool. Either way, since we have all 5, we can finally use the monster and monster on the fever buckle. It doesn't make any new noises, it's just cool to do. Come on. I know it's saying set fever, I'm just trying to get the lights to work. Anytime I try to make a video. There we go. Monster disengaged, are you kidding me? That's better. Woo! We got monster! Either way, for the attack. Now there is one way to get a new noise out of Monster. And that's pairing it up with the boost buckle. We went to boost Mark 3/9 back to regular boost. Maybe I should have kept this in. And you heard that was a different noise, and at the end, it sounded like a bell, like, I'm gonna say boxing? Because the form looks like it has little boxing gloves, that's why I'm saying boxing. Either way. Are you joking? Oh, I read it wrong. Well, that's all I got for the video right now. Other Kamen Rider stuff will be coming. I just don't know when. So, if you like these videos, sorry that you gotta wait for them. But, thank you so much for watching this. You're amazing. Galaxy Fang, signing out.